wonder how we get those strong, flat sheets of wood that build everything from our homes to our furniture. It all starts here, in vast, sustainably managed forests. From these towering trees, we get one of the most versatile building materials ever invented, plywood. But the journey from a massive log to a perfect panel is an incredible feat of engineering. Let's dive into the fascinating process of how plywood is made. The journey begins when massive logs, harvested from the forest, arrive at the sawmill. First, they take a long bath in a log pond. This soaking cleans the logs and softens the wood, making them easier to process. Next up is the debarker, a powerful machine that peels off the rough outer bark like you'd peel a giant vegetable. With the bark removed, the clean logs are then cut into shorter, more manageable sections called peeler blocks, getting them ready for the next big step. This is where the real magic happens. A peeler block is loaded onto a giant lathe. As the log spins at high speed, a razor-sharp blade shaves it into one continuous, paper-thin sheet of wood, called veneer. It's amazing to watch a solid log unfurl into a ribbon of wood hundreds of feet long. But this fresh veneer is too wet to use, so it travels through huge industrial dryers, like giant ovens, to reduce its moisture content. This step is crucial for ensuring the final plywood will be strong and stable once dried. Every single sheet of veneer is carefully inspected by skilled workers. They check for any knots or cracks, patching up imperfections to make sure only the best quality sheets move on. Now it's time to build the plywood panel. The graded veneer sheets roll through a machine that applies a special adhesive, coating them evenly with glue. Then, workers carefully stack the sheets, one on top of another. Here's the secret to plywood strength. Each layer, or ply, is oriented so its wood grain runs perpendicular to the layer below it. This cross-graining technique is what gives plywood its incredible resistance to bending and breaking. This stack of glued veneers then heads into a massive hot press. Under immense pressure and heat, the glue cures, permanently bonding all the individual layers together into a single, solid, and incredibly strong panel. We're almost at the finish line. The freshly pressed, oversized panels are still a bit rough around the edges, so they're sent to a trimming saw that cuts them down to precise, standard sizes, like 4 by 8 feet. After trimming, the panels glide through a giant sanding machine. Multiple sanding heads smooth both surfaces, giving the plywood that clean, finished feel we're all familiar with. Before being packaged, each panel undergoes a final, rigorous quality inspection to ensure it meets strict standards for strength and appearance. From there, it's bundled up and shipped out. And just look at the endless possibilities. From the framework of new buildings and the subfloors we walk on, to sleek modern furniture, custom cabinetry, and even creative DIY projects, plywood is everywhere. It's an unsung hero of the modern world. So next time you see a piece of plywood, you will know the incredible journey it took from a towering tree to a versatile and essential building block. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating behind-the-scenes looks at how things are made.